Hey, Tami Goodwin here. This is in the city of Decatur. These are made by Toll Brothers. Toll Brothers, if you don't know, they are an incredible builder. They build beautiful products, and it's very sturdy, great quality. So you can see the other building over there, Tally Street. That's an elementary school, you guys. So your kids can walk to school. But here is the your balcony deck, whatever you want to call it. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. And we are going to look. So this is like a loft, family room, place for entertaining. It's gorgeous, guys. This place is just ridiculous. So here, this is one of the rooms upstairs. They have it set up for an office. It's beautiful. You guys, I'm telling you, Toll Brothers, you got to come and see this place. It's in Decatur. It's gorgeous. Oh, they did this one. They just did a shower, a toilet. So this is the 4th floor. So we're going to go down to the 3rd floor. And this floor is where you have the laundry room and the bedrooms. So the laundry room is right here. And it has a sink in there. It says if you can dream it, you can do it. Hey, this is a place to dream about. So this is another bedroom. Beautiful, nice size, very spacious. It's got a combo tub and shower. Cute vanity. That's a quartz top with the sparklies. Nice closet here. This is the master bedroom. Very nice. Very spacious. Got a dresser here. Nice walk-in closet. I love the doors. The one-panel doors. Gorgeous walk-in closet. Gorgeous double vanity. Beautiful shower with a bench. Your water closet. So then we're going down to, this is what we would consider the main floor, but it's the 2nd floor because there's also another floor below. So this is when you come in. That's the front door where you come in. Now this is the dining room, which is open to the kitchen and this gorgeous island. The island is 14 feet and this is quartz. It's particular finish and it has a leather textured feel to it. It's gorgeous. And you can see that they have it all over. They even have it on the backsplash. They've done an amazing job with the space in here. So I'm going to go down to the final floor. We'll take a look. So when you come in, you have a closet. And let me tell you, I'm going to stand back so you can see these doors. All of these doors are extra tall. I love it. I love how they elongate it and they're nice and long and slender. Love it. It's another water closet. It's the half bath. So let me see. Let me roll around here. Oh, here it is. Look. It's the 4th level. Well, it's the 1st level, actually. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. And there's a bed here, too. This is beautiful, you guys. And it has, this would be the walk-in closet. And there's also a full bath with a shower. Then you roll around, and so this is where the agent is sitting right now, but I'm pretty sure this is what's going to be the garage. So there you go.